Winchester Musicals and Opera Society are set to present the classic performance of Singing in the Rain, but are they ready for the curtains to open?
Just over a week to go and everything's finally coming together. It's always the same with rehearsals. You panic at the last minute and then the last couple of rehearsals we finally get to where we need to be.
1, 2, 3, go!
With the countdown approaching, the performance is certainly one you wouldn't want to miss.
We've got a really great costume team, like the Chesel Theatre. They've been really kind and lent us some costumes as well this time around. Absolutely astounding sets, all made here in Winchester by volunteers.
The theatre performance of Singing in the Rain will be performed at the Theatre Royal in Winchester on the 7th of November until the 10th, so make sure you get your tickets. Athena Lakey, Winchester News Online.